Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to delete your Runway ML account. Okay, so first of all you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you will see this kind of, you can say, like screen on your screen, and this is the home screen, and you need to click in the bottom side left side. You can see like your account name, and you need to click on pro, you can say, like plans and billings, and once you click on plans and billing it will redirect on a new window, and on this window you can see your plans, and each and everything is provided on this, you can say, like page. Now you need to see on the top side of your window, like there is an option like upgrade and contact us, and there is a like your name. You need to click on this option, and once you click on this option it will provide your, you can say, like name, email ID, and your account information. You need to click on your account information like my account, edit account profile, and once you click on this option you need to scroll down, and the bottom side you will see there is an option like delete account. You can also delete your account very easily, and you can also change your password over here, and you can do anything what you want on this screen. Okay, so you can delete your account by using this method, and if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.